Hey everyone, today I will be installing a salt-free water filtration and conditioner system made by Pelican into our home. Fill the filtration tank, that's the one with the blue sticker on it, with water. We can do that by hooking a garden hose to the inlet side with a special adapter that is provided for about 48 hours to fully soak the charcoal element. I have marked the water supply line as it enters the garage right after the shutoff valve. You can see there was a salt-based water system that had been removed because we have the drain tube and their power supply line. The next step we're going to do is to attach the sediment filter top to the mounting bracket with the screws provided, then mount it on the wall, making sure the water supply input and the output is level. Align it with the filtration and softener ins and outs if you are using PVC. Next, hook the garden hose up to the inlet side of the water filter and let it run for about 30 minutes to remove the loose carbon. You will notice the water coming out is very black as you flush it through. After a half hour, remove the hose from the inlet side and hook up to the outlet side and let it run for about 3 minutes to reset the carbon. Insert the sediment filter into the blue unit, hand tighten, and then use the filter wrench until snug. Turn off the main water supply to the house. It's a good idea to have a pre-filter faucet so you can wash your car or water the plants. So I do not have to shut off the water to the whole house, I have constructed a 3-valve bypass unit so I can easily change filters or service the equipment in the future. I now have the sediment filter hooked to the water filter. After the filter comes the conditioner, back into the house system. I'm letting the PVC cement dry for a few hours now that I have the plumbing complete. Now we want the water to bypass the filter and fill up the conditioner with water, letting it set for about an hour. Then you can start using the whole house salt-free system.